Y'all, it's just me, Robin, and today I am participating in the fun challenge, Red Hot Chili Pepper Tablescape, She's So Spicy, being hosted by the fabulous Mary with At Home with Mary and her co-host Tammy, me, myself, and DIYing it, and Tay of Uneatly Tae. I will leave a link to all of their channels below, as well as the playlist in the description box. Please go by and check out all their channels and see all the red hot spiciness that is going to be displayed. The rules for the challenge were: you must create a tablescape with the red hot chili pepper theme. It can be actual peppers in the theme, or you can use the colors of peppers as your theme. You can decorate it in any style that you choose. We must subscribe to all of their channels. We must mention the host and the playlist in the video. Again, include their channels and the playlist in the description box. Title your video She's So Spicy, and the subtitle Red Hot Chili Pepper. The hashtag It's Getting Hot in Here 2020. And then we were to upload on the 5th at 8 a.m. Also, add your video to the playlist and then have some spicy hot fun. So, without further ado, get you a spicy drink, sit in your red hot seat, and enjoy my She's So Spicy Red Hot Chili Pepper Tablescape. The only thing that I purchased for this tablescape are the plates with the chili peppers on them. And I happened to go through my favorite thrift store, and they had these plates on display. And I was like, oh my gosh, chili pepper plates. Four of them for $3.99, and they were half off, so they were $2, guys. $2. How lucky could you be? So they were the base for my tablescape, and then I used the colors of peppers to coordinate the rest of it. I used lots of bright greens and oranges and reds, and then I just tried to make it fun. And then there's my puppy dog. Of course, he's always in all my videos, and right now he's trying to catch lizards in my plants, but he hasn't figured out that he can't catch them yet, but he's still trying. Each of the pepper plates has a different color, but the peppers are the same color. And then the plate up under it are Dollar Tree plates with the Fiesta type colors, and then the chargers are red ceramic chargers. Then I use red and green napkins in each of the settings. The green napkin holder that has, well, it's a green string around it. I found those at Home Goods several years ago. Then I use my green water glasses, drink glasses. I'm not sure with that kind of cube design on them, and then little green dessert cups. And then everything else is pretty much a thrift store find. All the vases on the table, and because my chair pillows are reversible, I turn them over to the striped side. And the other side has flowers on it that looks more tropical. So this is my tablescape, and I hope you guys like it. I'm going to also give you a night scene because that's just what I do. I hope you guys enjoyed it, got some inspiration. Please stop by and check out all of the other creators' channels and check out their tablescapes. Also, don't forget to check out Mary at Home with Mary, Tay at Uneatly Tae, and Tammy at Me, Myself, and DIYing It. Thank you, ladies, for inviting us to come along for the ride. And then please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. You guys take care, be blessed, and I will see you in the next one.